Well guys, we're pretty excited here at Mahler GPR Australia. We just received the new Locator Core from Mahler in Sweden, and the box is here. Let's see what's in it. Pretty sturdy box here. Lots of packaging material. There's an envelope, probably a charger, bit of packaging foam here. Alright, we're down to the business end here. Let's have a look. Wow. We'll get rid of this box. So, here she is. Nice fresh shell. New wheels. This is a completely different design to anything that's been produced before from Mahler. The wheels are fixed here. It looks like they are detachable as well. They've got little push releases here. It's a frame. So let's see how this one folds up. There's a little push button here. Everything is extremely nicely machined. There's a little push button here which you push to get this to detach, and we've got these finger pulls here as well. If you come close, you can see that to get to the next level, you pull this thing here and this handle folds up, and then you fold up this one here. Nice little locking pins here that meets these holes here. And then there's this single screw that locks it in place. And that's basically it. The cart is deployed. Then there's the RAM mount up here for mounting your tablet. There's a GPS mount, very nicely machined aluminium here, detachable and extendable pole here. So this unit will work with either internal GPS in your tablet, or you can attach external GPS. So there's two ports here. You can attach an external wheel. So if you're running this in an alternative cart like the Rough Terrain Cart Mini, which has just been released for this as well, you can attach the wheel there. There's a 12 volt external power supply. These are very nice connectors. And then there's a standard on and off button, which is similar to what we've seen before from Mahler. In here is the battery latch. And there's a new battery type that's now being introduced. There's two ports here. I do believe that these are hot swappable, so it's possible to change the battery without rebooting the unit. Let's just have a look here and see if we can get into the... Here we go. So here's the battery. New instructions. So this is not a type of battery that we've used before, but they are widely used in other types of geophysical equipment. Here we go. There's 12 volts, very nicely sealed. We've got a little battery indicator. These are 7,000 milliamps, so then they're pretty similar to the white type batteries that we've seen before from Mahler, which look like this. These are 9,000 milliamp hours. There's the charger here. This is a tabletop charger, so these just neatly lock in there, and I suppose there's going to be a power cord in here. So here's your power cord to go with it. So let's try and slide these in. There's 2 marked ports. That goes in. That goes in. Just needs a little bit of force there. Close the latch and lock it in place. There's an envelope here. I guess it's gonna say welcome to the Marla family. This is a premium version, 3 months for Marla Vision, which is the new AI cloud-based processing software from Marla. It's a really nice piece of software. So that is included in the box. So let's have a little bit closer look at this card here. It's a plastic shell, which is actually not the type of material that we've seen before from Marla. It still has the removable skid plate, which just very easily snaps off and is replaceable. I believe this cart can be, or the handle can be removed for using this on a in the rough terrain cart. And just try this very nice little pull. These are all machined aluminium, very neatly manufactured. There we go, and this just snaps off like that, very easy. We can have this. Have a look at another side. We haven't had this ribbled structure before on the skid plate. It looks very cool. There's very good hand grips everywhere on this unit. Good hand grips here and good hand grips on the side. This unit is actually incredibly light. Wonder if we should just have a quick little weigh in here. Let's have a look. This whole unit without the handle is 10.5 kilo. That's including 2 batteries. Let's include the handle assembly. What are we up at? 14.5. And let's include a really sturdy tablet. We use these Panasonic units with 2 batteries in it. 15.3 kilos for a full GPI unit, including 2 batteries. That's pretty impressive. I don't think there's any radar unit on the market that comes close to that kind of portability. Let's have a look at these wheels, because if you're going to put this in a rough terrain cart, you will want to get rid of the wheels. So these also click off with this very neat little push mechanism here. So you simply push that in and slide the wheel off. You can slide this one off as well, and you can see that this is the one where the wheel distance encoder. They've done a really neat engineering job here. I mean, these Swedes are just absolutely nuts. See how those jaws meet with this one, and that's what drives the internal encoder. Absolutely amazing engineering. Let's get this one off. And this one. So now this one will fit inside a rough terrain cart mini. Well, that's your first look at the Locator Core. If you have questions or interested in seeing this in action, just give us a bell at marlagpr.com.au or ask some questions in the comment section below. But this is going to make quite a bit of a ripple in Australia. We really look forward to getting this out. So see you out there in the field. Take care.